Are you excited? Yeah, go! Hey guys, welcome back to my Toyz garage. Today's video is a little bit different because I'm gonna open the cars. These cars are new. They're the new next gen car shift. The cars are different. Do you want to see? Stay tuned. Come on. There's a lot of them, right? Let's count the kids. Number 1 is Danico Cruise. Number 2 is Spin Jordan. Rex for Bumper Saver. Number 3 is Ernesto. He's training Carolelo. Right there, the tiger. Now number 4 is, oh my goodness, this next car is from Cars 1. Can you guess who it is? It is Boost. I think this car is so cool. This next car is also Cars 1. Number 5 is, it's Ringo, guys. That's a lot of cool covers, and he has cool wing on his back. Now it's time for number 6. It's DJ, guys. He has cool music on the back of the car. Okay, next one. The number 7. Llama McQueen. You saw him earlier. Llama McQueen is my favorite car. I think he's so cool. We'll open him later. Next is the last one. It's JD Mapier. Look at him, he's so cool. It's number 4. I'm so excited to open it. Are you ready? First up is JD. Yes! Yes! Whoa, it's cool, guys! Right? The next one is DJ. Now let's open it. This is like a truck. Oh, I cannot. It's stuck already. Oh my gosh, almost getting open. Oh yes! Now next is Wingo. Oh yes! Oh yeah! Now that's Wingo. It's open. There's Wingo. Do you see it, guys? Right, next one. Now it's Boost. Yeah. There's Boost now. Do you see that, guys? I'll show you guys a small video so you can see better. Now let's put Boost over there. Next is Ernesto. Like that one. Right. Yes! Oh my gosh. Wow! You guys see it? That looks pretty cool, right? I like it a lot. Okay, next one. Next is Spin Jordan. That one. Oh! It's cool. Yes! Wow! Did you see it, guys? It's Spin Jordan. That's pretty cool. I like that a lot. Now, next one. And then it's Cruise. The cool cruise. Now we have last one. Let's go. Oh. Whoa! Did you see it, guys? It's Tentacle Cruise! I think she's so cool, right? Because I like her a lot. Now, last one! Now, Llama McQueen! I'm so excited, guys! Now let's open him! Yes! Oh my gosh. Almost. Fell. Yay! It's Llama McQueen now. This red paint is so cool. Do you like the video? If so, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.